On the left-hand side, go to Uploads. You can upload images, videos, or audio files. Let's say I want to upload multiple images. I would come over to Upload Files, and I have all of these images here that I want to upload. Now, I'm using a Windows PC desktop in this example. So for this case, I would click on one image and then hit Ctrl Shift and click on the last image. This will select all the images here that I want to upload. Then I will click Open. And you can see here the images are starting to upload to Canva. And this will show you the progress status of how long it takes to upload the images. And when it's done, you'll see that this entire screen is in a blue color. And so now all these images have been uploaded to Canva. And now I can just put them all here into my design, and I can edit them to however I want. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.